Rule number 3 is that you don't speak because you are fluent. You become fluent because you speak, which is directly related to rule number 2 about training for you to get somewhere. So the more you speak, the more you practice, the more you make mistakes, the faster you are going to become fluent. And this is a problem that many students of the Arabic language have, which is that mindset of I will speak once I can say everything perfectly. But the reality is that probably in this video, me speaking in English, I probably made a few grammar mistakes. But the point is that if you are understood, you are speaking the language. Ibn Khaldun mentioned earlier in the quote that we have mentioned earlier, he says that إِنَّ اللُّغَةَ هِيَ عِبَارَةُ الْمُتَكَلِّمِ عَنْ مَقْصُودِهِ. That language is the expression of the speaker about what he intends. It's not the perfect expression of the speaker about what he intends. It's just the expression of what he intends. So if I intend to tell you that I am looking for the toilet and I say hammam, 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 he will understand, okay, this person is looking for the hammam. So you are already speaking the language. Maybe you're not a professor yet, you are not completely fluent, but you are speaking the language, and that's what is important. And this is what you will see if a child goes ahead and at year 2 he is already saying things like little things like, here you go, what do we say, thank you, water, water, hammam. Or even if she says kaka, kaka, you will say he starts speaking already. The baby's speaking already. So he might not be able to express absolutely everything, but he's already speaking.